States.
Hello.
Sorry, we are doing interviews.
I was just telling my friends that I have not seen the Supreme Court like this in many years. You can see that it's a majority judgment, which means that the Supreme Court spoke in this majority. But a majority of 4-3 in a panel of 7 is what I haven't seen in many years. But we believe the court has done what it's supposed to have done. The case is ended now, and my client, INEC, has been vindicated by this judgment, and all those who have also been vindicated, I congratulate them. I congratulate most especially the Supreme Court for standing up to his name, the Supreme Court, in this case. That's what I have to say.
Well, we thank God, we give all the glory to God Almighty. The Supreme Court has spoken, and we have to abide by the decision of the Supreme Court. This is the apex court. Contrary to what my learned brother just said concerning seeing the Supreme Court in this way, we've seen this before. In the case of Abubakar against Obasanjo, against Obasanjo, we've had dissenting judgment before. This is not the first time we're having dissenting judgments. And the Supreme Court just living up to its expectation. The Supreme.
In our democratic journey, do we stand to learn anything from each other?
Of course, all of us are learners. We are all learning every day. And those of us at the bar, the politicians, the lawyers, everybody is learning.
The sitting governor will be deciding but
the Supreme Court has not said that a sitting governor should not preside over the affairs of the party. Don't forget, the majority decision stands and not the minority decision.
Thank you, sir.
So Mala Buni still remains the caretaker chairman of the party, validly put in there by the party. The Supreme Court has not nullified his position.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So let's get to reaction.
Well, there's no other reaction other than I'm so excited and I'm happy with the judgment. Justice has been served, and that's it. I think what? The Ondo people are very happy, and that was evidenced by the large turnout during the election itself on the 10th of October 2020. So it is the wish of Ondo State people that was demonstrated on that day that has been reaffirmed today by the highest court of the land. So the people will be jubilating right now. I wish you can go to the street of Akure and every other local government in Ondo State and see what is happening over there.
I am very happy that justice prevailed from the tribunal level, court of appeal level, and this level. It was a keenly fought battle, but at the end of the day, the law has vindicated us. So I'm so happy about it.
In a very long time, the Supreme Court hasn't been faced with such split in judgment, in judgment. What are the lessons to be learned from this, sir?
Well, you see, in the law, you may never have the same opinion from all those who are contributing to arguments. That's why sometimes you have a split in decisions. But the important thing is that at the end of the day, you see, you have won. Not minding that you don't have a unanimous decision. You have won. That's it.
Thank you very much.
What? What's the question?
Your reaction to the judgment, sir?
Well, naturally, I am happy. Okay, I said, naturally, I am happy. It's been a night of long knives. But we thank God that the courts have been consistent, right from the tribunal all through to the Court of Appeal, and now in the Supreme Court. The decision is that Mai Mala Buni, who was alleged to have committed an infraction or breach of the Constitution, has not been joined, and it is very, very fatal. So the issue of fair hearing, as entrenched in our Constitution, has been reaffirmed, that you cannot judge a man behind him or without hearing him. We thank the justices, because it's like they have broken their holiday to attend to this urgent national assignment. We are grateful to them.
States.